Hello there, guys and girls. One lovely day to each and every one of you. Let's have some late lunch. As you can see, this is a grilled milkfish, or we may call here in the Philippines, inihaw na bangus. Come over here, guys and gals. Join me for my late lunch. I am so hungry. Yumminess, delicious. Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Some kind of a big. I just bought this for only 100 pesos. The whole fish is 200. Love it, love it. This could be my day 18. Right off the cross. Day 18 of not eating meat like pork, beef, chicken. Yes, congratulations for making it also. Let's make a team. Just always remember that we're doing this not for only the abstinence, but in observance of the Holy Week, of course, and to give respect to our Supreme Being, for he died on the cross just to save our sins and redeem our souls, right? Bye for now.